National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Nassau County in southeast New York, Suffolk County in southeast New York, until 7 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from Patchogue to Calgary State Park to Deer Park, along the line extending from Patchogue to Islip to Deer Park, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Bayshore, Shirley, Mastic Beach, and Davis Park. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Sunday evening for southern Connecticut and northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New York, Nassau, and Suffolk.
Is it for Islip? I heard.
Yes.